Hey everyone, this is Dan from graniteit.net. I just wanted to put together a quick video and show you guys about security profile groups in FortiOS 6.4.8. Now, this is a feature that has been around for a while. I'm not sure exactly when it was introduced. It's sort of new to me. I just stumbled upon it. It isn't something that is widely discussed, and that's why I decided to make this video. So a security profile group is just like it sounds. It is a grouping of the various security profiles. So on your FortiOS, you can configure multiple antivirus profiles, web filter, DNS profiles, application control, intrusion prevention, all of these things. And there's probably multiple interfaces or policies that you're going to want to apply all the same profiles to. Often you would have maybe different security profiles on your internet facing interfaces as opposed to your internal VLAN interfaces. If you're doing layer 3 routing for internal segmentation, perhaps you've got a predefined set of policies that you want to apply to every one of those policies. And you want to make sure that those policies or those profiles get applied accurately every time. I've been in a lot of situations where I've seen multiple policies configured with varying security profiles applied. And that may be for specific use cases, or sometimes it's just by accident. We fat finger a click while we're selecting one of the profiles. Maybe the profiles are named similarly, and so it's easy to just accidentally select the wrong one. Using these profile groups, it makes it really easy in one selection to apply a uniform security profile across various policies. So when we take a look at firewall policies, and I'll just bring up one in my lab environment. So if I look at my default out policy, right now I don't have any security profiles assigned on that outbound. And you can see that in order to do that, I have to go through and select a profile for each of the profile types and assign it. I don't have an option here to select a profile group, nor is there any way for me to create a profile group. So this is because security profile groups are a hidden option within FortiOS. So you might be thinking, oh, okay, if that's the case, then I would go to System and Feature Visibility. However, it's not here either. For some reason, security profile groups can only be enabled through the CLI. Oddly enough, they are enabled in the same place as all of these features, but I'm unsure why they haven't added a simple toggle to the UI when there is a feature visibility page available specifically for that. But if we go into the CLI and you would simply type config system settings, and from here the CLI command to enable this is set GUI security profile group enable. Okay, so now we'll just simply go back to the web UI. And we'll check under security profiles. I still don't see it, so I will just do a quick refresh. Once we do the refresh, you can see we've got profile groups here. And in this profile group, we can create a profile. As part of the profile here, we'll use the default protocol options. We'll select the default antivirus. We'll select the Power Family web filter, the default DNS filter, and block high risk application filter, and IPS. We'll select the high security and just the regular certificate inspection. So we'll select that and we'll choose OK. Now, when you go to your firewall policies, when we edit a firewall policy, you can simply now select the option to use a security profile group, and drop it down and select your profile group. You can do that for all of your policies where you want to have the same inspection. Notice you don't have a group option outside of the policy through the main UI. Select the option to use a profile group and select it. So you'll have to do that for each individual policy. Of course, you can do that through the CLI as well if you like. But that's just a really quick way to make sure that your security profiles are configured in a uniform way across like policies. For your reference, here once again are the CLI commands used to enable this functionality in the web UI of the FortiGate. These are for FortiOS 6.4.x. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. I hope that it was fun and informative for you. If you have any questions or comments, please add them to the comments section below and I will try to follow up. As well, feel free to like and subscribe if you'd like to see more of this or similar content. Thank you.